This tutorial is about inserting text boxes. I'm going to be demonstrating using a two-person conversation path, but it could apply to a 3 or 4-person conversation path just as easily. There may be times when we want to provide students with more visual information so that they can follow along and take their turn more easily. We can do that by adding a text box. So let's say that Beth is starting with the 4 starters, and I want to help Erin a little bit more than this path is helping her right now by clicking on text box, going right under the 4 starters and typing in whatever Beth is saying. That will make it easier then for Erin to take her turn. Now, I didn't write everything Beth would say, and you would probably want to write the whole thing, but it's hard for me to type and talk at the same time. If Beth needs help, I can do the same thing with Erin's question by clicking on text box and writing the question underneath. But maybe Beth doesn't need that help, so I can just not do that, but then perhaps write Beth's answer in a text box, so that will help Erin then ask another question. So adding text boxes is very simple. It does require, some fast typing, but I know you can do it. It's a great way to give our students a little bit of extra support.